Hello everyone, this is Lori Hargis on Domaine de Castellou in the south of France. And today I really wanted to speak about olive flower essence that was developed by Dr. Bach in the 1930s. But before I do, I want to make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can get more information about essential oils and flower essences, because I'm a certified flower essence practitioner and I have been since the early 1990s. And essential oils and flower essences are something that you can find out more about in my book, Common Sense, A Practical Guide to Aromatherapy. Well, now let's find out how olive flower essence can help you. Olive flower essence was developed for fatigue, and that is emotional fatigue, which goes into physical fatigue. Once we can't handle things anymore very well, emotionally or mentally, maybe things are really bothering us and we just can't handle it anymore. We become fatigued physically also. And what's so great about this wonderful plant here, this tree, the olive, and it's the olive flower that Dr. Bach used. Now it's completely, the flowers have turned into these beautiful olives right now. However, in the spring we will have olive flowers. And olive helps you recuperate. It helps you when maybe you've had a chronic illness and you've had a hard time getting through it. It could be really good for you at this time if you've had the coronavirus, because it will help pick you up. It will help your energy. And so that way you feel more energetic and you can start recuperating. So this flower essence is so wonderful for emotional, mental, and physical fatigue. Because as I said before, the emotional and mental fatigue finally will go into your physical body. Because as we know, most disease is started emotionally or mentally. It just doesn't happen to our body just like that. It starts out here. And with all the different things and all the challenges that we're all going through, olive flower essence can help you so much. You can pick it up at your local health food store. Most health food stores carry all the Bach remedies, or you can get it online at your different flower essence companies. So make sure that you always have olive on hand, especially right now as we're going through all these different challenges. And the light's coming in for us. Things are getting better. So let olive help you with that. Don't forget your essentials. Use your common sense. Au revoir.